This project is a building for the Army. It's called the HARL, or the High Altitude Research Lab. The purpose of this building is to study the effects of altitude on the soldiers.
Here in the Rocky Mountain region, we deal with altitude, we deal with very dry conditions.
Ever-changing weather, and just getting the material up here can be a challenge.
Being that it is at 14,000 feet, it's a project where we're concerned with moisture vapor continuity and the warranty issues of this floor. So we elected to install a urethane floor system, the FasTop, to cover all of these issues.
FasTop Multi systems bring value because of, one, the fast turnaround with the FasTop Multi urethane cement, and then two, ease of application for our applicators, and then three, end results for the owners.
We know time and time again that that floor is going to go down at a consistent coverage rate. This floor is designed to last anywhere from 12 to 15 years.
Because it is a urethane cement, it's going to have the durability and longevity of basically the lifetime or life cycle of this facility.
Having Sherwin-Williams reps and technical support develop systems specifically designed for this region has been a huge help.
We were able to correct the cracks in the slab with the Sherwin-Williams product and move forward without delay.
Working with Sherwin-Williams, we're able to call on their experience and their technical knowledge of flooring systems.
Being able to utilize their expertise and get them up to the mountain is critical for this project.
Working with my sales rep, pre-construction meetings, install meetings beforehand.
Having them behind us adds a sense of security to the end users that is unlike any other manufacturer.
It's going to be a fantastic floor in the end.